Welcome to Day 3 of the Asia Pacific Poker Tour Macau. As Day 3 dawns, it brings all the anticipation of the money bubble. Yesterday, with all the combined Day 1 fields in the tournament room, it was packed, yet dwindled down to just 44 remaining players. Keep in mind, only 40 positions pay out. Once the bubble bursts today, we expect a fast and furious day as we play down to the prestigious final table. Marcel Lusk is the Team PokerStars pro to watch. In fact, he's the only one remaining to watch. After some choice hands yesterday involving pocket rockets, Lusk has 93,000 chips to start the day. He will face a slew of online qualifiers. Indeed, about a third of the remaining field is online qualifiers. Cole Swanwick from New Zealand has 160,000 chips, Michael Drurer from Germany 218,000, and Jukka Juvonen from Finland has 204,000. Let's take a quick look at the few, the proud, the guys with all the chips today. TJ Vorpanich from the US has an astounding chip lead of 472,000 chips. Next closest to him is Kai Paulsen with 416,000. And Jonas Kronvitter, he's a well-known face on the European Poker Tour. He made the long trek to Macau, and it is paying off. He has 241,000 chips to start Day 3. So will an online qualifier steam to victory, or will the Flying Dutchman swoop in for a well-deserved title? Stay tuned to PokerStars.tv to find out.